You might not know the story behind the phrase canary in the coal mine.
She was Swiss. And still is.
People call it electrical sensitivity or EHS or microwave, like people getting sick from wireless. The coal miners would take the canaries down with them in cages. There's the round, the ground, the sirloin, the chuck, the rib, the tenderloin, the T-bone, and that is just for starters.
We have to investigate.
So there really is no research ongoing. We're kind of blind here, so far as health and safety is concerned.
And isn't this the kind of thing that your child develops problems from, your chronically ill mother and your depressed father? The air had become too toxic.
What are we gonna do now?
And it was time to get out.